Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I feel like this channel is turning into a tech channel, but I'm really excited today. I'm upgrading my iPhone to film better content. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a 256 gigabyte. Really excited. And I want to show you guys my old phone, the iPhone 7 Plus. This thing has seen better days. It broke on me. The camera doesn't work. Home button doesn't work. Just a horrible phone. I'm really happy to upgrade to this. Let's get into it. 3 cameras from 2. Can't wait. Got our pull tabs on the side. So satisfying. Come on. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. All right, 3 cameras. Guys, look at this. Just look at the quality of it. It's insane. This blue, it's gorgeous. It has like different shines, different angles. I love it. So in the box we have, I think this is USB-C to Lightning, yeah. Apple's gonna make me buy a new power brick to use this. Apple, stop doing this, come on. And you have your Apple stickers and your quick guides. You have your SIM card remover tool. Nothing crazy. Apple sticker. I just collect these, don't take them off really. That's that. Let's take this thing off. Put this to the side. Let's see how satisfying this is. God, that was so good. An iPhone without any fingerprints on it. This is the only time. Compared to my old phone, guys. Look at that. I got this 4 years ago. Technology has improved a lot. It's crazy. And something else that I want to show you guys is, just stuck to it. Would have to be the boxes actually. Put that there. So this is the size of the box, right? Let's compare it to the old iPhone boxes. Look at that difference. That's insane. Crazy. No more headphone jack and no more power adapter, so you have to buy those, or if you have one, you have to use that. These are the old boxes stacked up. And this is the new one. Look at that size difference. Crazy. More money in Apple's pocket for sure. Cutting down on the packaging for sure. So yeah, that's the video, guys. I have nothing else to talk about. I'll do videos about the 4K quality, filming my car with it. Yeah. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye.